Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create tags on Microsoft Teams using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application Microsoft Teams. So we're now going all the way out to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Teams. Let's just wait for that to load. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to Teams. Go to the right top corner in Teams. Let's go to Manage Tags. And now we are headed to the tag section. This team doesn't have any tags yet. You can create some so you can notify a group of people all at once by mentioning the tag. So let's just create a tag. Let's call this tag 1. We can choose to have a description. However, for this tutorial, we'll just keep it simple. Tag 1. Let's add the admin. And let's also add myself and create. So that tag itself has now been created. Let's quit Microsoft Teams for the moment. Let's go all the way down to the dock. Again, go back to Microsoft Teams. I'm not sure what happened there. There was an error. Let's just repeat the procedure, and there we go. So we have a tag with 2 members. And now let's go back to Teams, go to the channel social media. Let's start a new conversation. And before we do anything, let's now write @ and click on tag 1. So then all these people within that tag will be notified when you send out a message in a conversation. Let's just click on send. And so whoever was or is in tag 1, 2 members, myself and the admin, will be notified with that message. So we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.